I'm so happy to be back to the YouTube channel and showing you how to do an alien Halloween or Halloween alien. So this is super simple. It's a fun activity because it uses scissors and glue. Of course, with people or children who need supervision, you want to be there with scissors and glue. But let's get started. So the first thing, you're going to notice the shape of this is a teardrop. So you're going to just draw a teardrop, okay, on a piece of cardboard or paper, whichever. Get that teardrop the way you want it. Get it to the size you want to use that coaster or your alien face for. So you're going to do the teardrop. And guess what? You're going to do two small teardrops. And because these eyes, if you notice with the alien eyes, it is curved on the inside, and then the point is up here. And alien eyes are placed, they are placed like halfway down. Like these are actually too high, but I just did this as a demo. But you want to place them a little low because that's what makes them look like an alien. So those are just a couple tips on placing your fabrics. So what you're going to do, this is a super easy way to sew them. You're going to want 3 pieces of material. So the front and the back are going to be denim. So the middle, you can make denim, but it might be too thick for you to sew. So use something like a batting or cotton material, just so you have that third. You want 3 pieces of material. If you're using this as a coaster in particular, because you're going to put it on your table, and if you have a hot drink or a cold drink, certainly you want to protect the table. So you kind of want to think about that. And the stitch that you're using, and I'm going to show you this, and I'm trying not to drag out this video, but I am going to show you the stitch. It's super simple, but it's called a running stitch or sashiko stitch. And you're going to stitch that around. You're going to stitch your 3 fabrics in place. Now, what about your eyes? I tried stitching the eyes and I didn't like it at all. So there's 2 ways you can put your eyes on. Glue them with fabric glue, or for you sewers, and if you're not a sewer, this is super cheap. This is called fusing tape. You take a piece of this tape and you simply put it, in between your fabric, your eye and the jean there, the jean material, and you iron it. So this is like a glue, it's a glue tape is what it is. But anyway, I have my needle and thread here. I just want to show you quickly how to do this because just give you a little tip on it. You don't want to start it from the back because your knot will be in the back. You're going to start from your middle material. And you're going to go in, you can go in about 1/8 of an inch there, or whatever. You can be right on the border, it's okay. And you're going to pull it through. Now, the running stitch is just that. It's a running stitch. So you're going to put it through, and you're not trimming it yet. You're going to do your sewing. You're going to kind of catch about 2 or 3, or maybe 4, and you're going to pull your yarn through. And you can use yarn, you can use thread. I use a flossy type of thread, so it goes through a little easier. And you're just simply going to go around and you're going to follow your border, and that's all you're going to do, because this is not what they call an envelope style. This is a stacking style. That's what I call it. But anyway, you're going to continue like that all the way around. And when you get to the end or the back of your coaster, you don't want that to show. You don't want the knot to show. So I'm just gonna show you on this one. You're gonna pull it through here. So you're gonna show your knot. You're gonna make your knot, and don't make it real tight to the material. Just give it a little room there, like that. There's the knot, just a little bit away. So, and then you're just gonna put it through. You're gonna put it through your jean material, and you're gonna, don't put it all the way through so it shows in the front. you just want to put it through a little bit, the jean material itself. And then you're going to very gently take the needle out, and you're going to very gently pull that knot through. So you pulled the knot through, and now you can cut this safely and with no marks of a knot in the back. So I wanted to give you that tip because not everybody knows that, especially if you're first beginning to sew. So, and then you make 4 of these or whatever you want, and there are your alien coasters. And so happy Halloween. You have fun, hang them up and around, and please let me know how your project went. If you have any questions on it before you begin, especially if you're an activity director such as I was, I always had questions, usually when I was halfway through. But anyway, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.